Are you searching for good products? Let me show you. Welcome to AIHAO Company, Limited. AIHAO are a Taiwanese factory that has passed the German TUV ISO9001 to 2015 International Quality Certification. AIHAO provides high-quality agricultural machinery products, spare parts and other products made in Taiwan, and trade integration services. Knapsack power sprayer has the highest pressure of the same engine in the world. It is the ultimate solution for efficient spraying of crops. Battery-operated sprayer, water pump provides a variety of functional customizations. Its functional performance exceeds that of Japan. Portable power sprayer can clean and water efficiently, ideal for home, garden, farming and construction use. Easy maintenance. Do you like our product? Contact us now.